Hi guys! Have you ever wished that your favourite e-learning software has that one small feature you really want to use? This has been me for several months, and finally the time has come. On Articulate 360 Storyline, they've got a new feature I've been waiting for. It's something so small but really does make a difference, especially you've been trying for multiple months to figure out, okay, is this just not working for me or is this not a feature? Realising it's not a feature. But today everything changes. Let's check it out. So let's open Articulate 360 Storyline. So for this example, I'm just going to use any image so I can show you guys the new feature. In this case, food is always a good one. I'm going to pick these lovely pancakes. There we go. Place it in, resize. So if you've not used it before, you need to go on Insert at the top, click on Marker, and then you'll see lots of options that you can use as like hotspot labels, let's call them, on your image. Do you remember that they used to look like this? Small, not able to resize or adjust, and they're really teeny, and I just couldn't really understand. And now look, we can resize it, guys. We can resize it. It really does make a difference. I'm so glad. So all of these markers, we're able to click on them. There's loads of them, that you can use and now can resize. I think it's just really handy instead of having to design them all yourself, they're all there. Because I think it does take some time to, do the shape, get the icon in there, but it's all there for us, which is great. So you'll see, in this scenario, I'll do a tick and a cross. Wonderful, resize, love it, love it. Obviously, as you know, with this feature, if you've used it before, you can put any text you want in there. A title, some text underneath, like a description, etc. And then when you're happy with whatever text, and this I'm just going to say text here. And then preview, click preview, and let's see what it looks like if it was a real-time online course that you could access on an LMS. See? That's great. So now they're a lot bigger, and I think they just look a lot better than before. As I said, there was just one size before, and I'm really happy that this has been introduced. With label markers, you're able to provide additional tips or information on the slide without cluttering it. Being able to have those labels all around and the learner be able to engage, hover over, really does make a difference, just to not overwhelm them. And I think it makes it more enjoyable as well. And obviously now you're able to resize, which means it's great because before they were just quite small. And for me, I just couldn't figure out how to resize them. I wanted them to be bigger. So it's great because it means we're able to kind of accommodate different sizes with the labels. So there you have it, guys, a new feature I'm really excited about. I hope you guys agree too. Love to hear from you. I think the new feature really does make a difference. It's not like a one-size-fits-all approach anymore. If you guys did like this video, do subscribe for more, give me a thumbs up. Apart from that, guys, thanks for watching and happy storylining.